Is your LG Smart TV app freezing, crashing, or running slow? I'm going to show you how to force quit apps on your LG TV to fix these problems. When apps stay running in the background, they use up memory and cause performance issues. I'll show you two methods to fix this. The first method is the easiest. Grab your LG remote and locate the back button. It's a curved arrow pointing left. Press this button once, and the Recent Apps menu will appear, showing all apps running in the background. To close a specific app, navigate to it using the arrow keys. You'll see a small X icon at the top right corner of the app's thumbnail. Select this X button to completely close that app. If you want to close all apps at once, look at the top right corner and select the Close All option. This will force quit every app running in the background, which is great if your TV is running slow. After closing the apps, press the Home button and open the app again. It should work much better now. If closing the app didn't solve your problem, try a power cycle reset. Unplug your LG TV from the wall socket, then wait 3 minutes. Find the physical power button on your TV, usually on the bottom or back under the LG logo. Press and hold it for 30 seconds to drain all remaining electrical charge. Release the button, plug your TV back in, and turn it on. Open the app that was giving you trouble. This complete system refresh should fix any stubborn issues. And those are the two methods to force quit apps on your LG Smart TV. If this helped you, leave a comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.